you say welcome to another vlog? No? Okay. So, yesterday I actually went to the nursery to get, well, nothing really in particular, just a few things we needed for our garden, which hopefully our video of gardening is up or will be up soon. I'm not quite finished filming it yet, but I think by the time this vlog goes up, that will be up, so we'll see. Oh, now you decide to start eating? Always in my slippers. You can't see over my belly. I'll give you a belly shot. Oh yeah. As I'm filming this, I am 23 weeks and 2 days. But anywho, I went to the nursery and I'm about to go, the sun just went down. We have recycles happening. It's shady and it's nice outside and there's a breeze, so I thought I'd go plant some things. But just give you a quick overview of what we got. I got some more little succulents for the little centerpiece. I needed some more small ones and one of them isn't doing well, so I think I'm gonna swap it out with this one. And then this, I just wanna put in this cute little pink pot that I have because I just think it's so cute. I love that. And then how cool is this thing? I don't even know what it is, but I had to have it. One of these guys, I think these like grow like hanging plants, so I'm excited about that. This was a little more expensive, especially for how small it was. It was 12 bucks, but it's a string of hearts. And the leaves literally look like hearts, and I just have never seen that before, so I had to pick that up. I got a Hoya plant, which I've only ever seen them like just one sticking straight up. I've never seen them grow. So I kind of just was interested to get this and plant it as is and see how it grows. So I'm excited about that. I got a little snake plant for the baby's room to get the air cleansed. This super cool succulent. I don't know what it is. If you know what it is, please let me know, but it looks like it's gonna flower on top. I got some watermelon starts, which I did order watermelon seeds, but I don't know, these were cheap and I was excited, so I bought that. I got a chive plant and some chamomile for our herb garden, as well as some pineapple sage. It literally smells incredible and I want to make like a drink with it. And then I needed, one of our zucchini starts did not do so well in our garden, so we wanted to replace it, so I picked up one of those. But that's what we picked up at the nursery, just thought I'd give you a look. Let's pot some up. I also did get some seeds. I got some fun, colorful carrots that said they were ready to be planted now. The other carrot seeds I have said wait till fall, so excited about that. Some sunflowers. These just looked cool. Sweet red pepper, red cherry peppers. Looked like little snacking peppers. And then some winter squash, because how fun would that be if I could grow my own? So I picked those up as well. Hey friends. You guessed it, out of breath. But hi, welcome to today, whatever the day is. I have no idea, I think it's Thursday. Pretty sure that's what it is. I'm having terrible acid, in which I have LPR, like outside of pregnancy, which I forget what that stands for. Something about your larynx, what's it called? Basically, when I get acid reflux, which I am prone to, I feel it in my throat instead of my chest, and it's been terrible lately. Like I was up most of last night, just cause like laying down doesn't help. The medicine that was working no longer helps. Something that does help is just some like lavender oil topically on top of my throat. But even then, like, sometimes it works really well, and then sometimes it just doesn't work at all. So, I don't know. This is not why I came on here. I did not come on here to complain. But that's my life right now. It's just a lot of complaining. I'm sure Bradley's having a fun time. I don't know if you can see him. You can. That's Ludi under his chair taking a nap. But I came downstairs to make my lunch, which I'm filming a what I eat in a day video today. I figure that'll be fun for like pregnancy cravings. Not even cravings, just like what I'm finding delicious at the moment. So I came down here to heat up the oven for a part of my lunch. And I thought while I wait, I would do another what I'm calling lazy girl haul, like I did in last week's vlog of the World Market stuff, which I will link that up in the corner if you missed it. Let me get some water. But we went to Target, mostly to get some necessities, but then like, that's pretty much the only place I'm going these days. So like when we go to Target, I like go to Target. And Bradley's like, oh my God. And I'm like, you're fine. Oh. Oh, hi, monkey. He's so tired. Are you so tired today? Are you okay? Good morning. It's afternoon. You sleeping in? Okay. Also, this is a maternity dress from Target. Here's the bump. He's in there. It feels like a nightgown, and it's a little long for my taste in dresses, but it's so comfy that I'm like, even if I just wear this around the house, I don't care. It's so comfortable, and I like the sleeves. So I'm just gonna show you what I got at Target because that's fun, and I would love to see what anybody gets at Target. Probably what I'm most excited for. I'm gonna be very pregnant in the supreme heat of summer. And we have a community pool, which is great. My brother has a pool, but for like day-to-day fun, I saw these on TikTok and I saw them in real life and I was like, yes. So these are little like personal inflatable pools, and this is the watermelon one. So it's actually back on this chair. I was gonna have Bradley blow it up. He was like, that is so much to blow up with my mouth. And I was like, yeah. So I ordered an Amazon inflator thing. It should be here today. And so we'll just fill it up with hose water, leave it in the sun so it warms up a little bit, and then when I'm outside, because I'm constantly craving being outside right now, mostly just because like the backyard is still really exciting and new to me, but I don't know, I think something about pregnancy, like I'm just craving being outside, and I'm loving the garden, and I just every day I'm like, oh, time to just go lay outside. So I'm spending a lot of time outside, and when it gets warmer, which it's starting to do already, I live in SoCal, if you don't know, this would be great to just like dip into. And the dog too. And the baby eventually, so cute. This is a random beautiful find. This was $3 in the dollar section. How cute in Anthropology is this? It's just got all these really beautiful like flowers on it, and I love the colors, and I'm really into like, I mean, I'm always into decorating, but as we're getting more settled, I feel like every day like 1 or 2 more things gets hung up or put away, and it's just starting to feel better in here. I showed you in last week's vlog, like we put a shelf up behind the camera and the clock, and just like I decorated the shelf, and just things like that are feeling better. And I love this so much, I want it like out permanently, so maybe I'll put some like dried flowers in it or something. But it was $3 and so cute. This is a very random buy because I'm not into candles normally, and especially not right now in pregnancy. Like I'm not, Bradley knows, don't light a candle. I can't take it. But I think I was just drawn in by this little candle holder that I want to use as a planter when it's burnt out. But this is the Hearth and Home, the Magnolia, whatever, sea salt bergamot. And it is a soy candle, and this smells like an Anthropology candle, so it's like a good dupe for some of those like volcano candles. Maybe not an exact dupe, but like it smells like an Anthropology store. So I picked that up. They had a bunch of different colors, but I just liked this scent best. I feel like with my acid reflux, I sound like the woman I love in Casper. I don't know her name, she's like the evil woman, the blonde. I feel like I sound like that. This is random, but this is our new favorite dish brush. We used to like the rainbow one, but now we can never find it, so we tried this one and we both really enjoyed it. It's the Kind dish brush, and it's eco-friendly with sustainable materials, so that's cool. But it's just this black brush, but we both equally, Bradley and I, enjoy this, so we bought it again just to have another backup. You guys, I think I'm the only person in the world that doesn't like this brand. The Stars Above, which I know you're probably like, you're nuts. Something about it just doesn't fit my body, like I don't know. But I'm so desperate for shorts right now, and I like pajama shorts. I hate wearing pants normally, and I'm now pregnant, I'm not gonna wear pants. And I ordered some maternity pajama shorts from ASOS that I am loving. I am gonna do a maternity haul. I don't know which one will go up. If it's up, I don't think it will be, but if it is, I'll link it. If not, stay tuned. But just anything I've been finding with a drawstring has been really comfortable. And this was like an extra large, right? XXL. So like really these are not maternity, they're just normal ones. But they were so soft, and I just liked the look of them. I'm gonna try them on. I might return them because I really never usually like this brand. But if they work, it would be great. And I'm just kind of desperate for shorts. Oh my God, the dog. We got him that little pig toy at Target too. He likes to destroy toys like really rip them to shreds, but he loves them, so we want to keep buying them for him. And the brand Bark, which I think is the same brand as Bark Box, so maybe I should look into that. They make these toys that are like meant to be torn apart. There's no fluff in them, there's no stuffing, but I don't know how to explain it, and I'd show you that one, but he's clearly having a really good time. But they have like a layer of just soft, but then underneath they're like this really hard material that then if he can start chipping away at that, we have to get rid of it, but he enjoys them clearly so much. Look at his back legs. I only got one more clothing item. You guys, like I said, like I am desperate for just bigger stuff. Like I just feel so bloated and awful, and I know I'm pregnant and like it's cute and everything, but just it's not even about cuteness, it's just about at night I don't want to feel like things are hugging me. So I bought an XXL shirt. Again, this is not maternity, I'm just trying to make it work, but also look how cute with all these flowers. So I haven't tried either of those on, but I just figured that could be like an around the house, or I could really, if I could find some cute maternity like denim shorts, this would be cute with that. If it works with the belly, it might just like rise up too much. I got a sun hat, which I'm really excited about. If you've been following me for like, I think we got it, yeah, last summer. You've seen Bradley's dad hat, which is not for me, on him especially, and then obviously I don't want to wear it either. But I did need a sun hat, so I picked this up. How cute. I love the stripes. I'm not a total fan of like the pinched cowboy hat looking thing, but I loved the stripes, and just I've been wearing it out in the garden and I'm totally obsessed. So I picked this up, and I think it was 15 bucks. It's from Universal Thread. Whatever I can link down below, I will. You guys know that. This is a total random buy, and like I shouldn't be getting smaller purses. I'm about to have to start carrying a diaper bag, but if I'm going out on the town, which well, I mean in Corona it hasn't happened in a while, but like a wedding, some sort of event that I don't want to carry a purse, I love clutches. I love them so much, and I really liked this hot pink one. I thought it was so cute. It does have a chain if you want to use it like as a purse, but I would just use it as a clutch because I just think it's so cute, and it like feels really nice. And this was 20 bucks, and there's a thing in the back too to put your phone, whatever. So I really enjoyed that, so I picked that up. Also because like my favorite clutch kind of died, and I was really sad. I had it for years, and the leather was just like worn down and just not happening anymore. So whenever I see a clutch that like tickles my fancy, I get it. We got some beach towels. We've had, like we have one beach towel. I think we have two now because I got like an Alice in Wonderland one at Disneyland. But like that was like a struggle whenever we went somewhere with a beach or a pool. We're like, well, we only have one towel. So when we find one we like, we bought a couple. I think this is dragon fruit, right? I don't know. I was obsessed with the colors, so I got this one. This is by Sun Squad, which is the same brand that makes this pool. They had a lot of cute, fun summer stuff, a lot of cute like lawn games, but they were a little too pricey for my cheap ass. But this is so soft, and I just, once I get out of my watermelon pool, I'm gonna need to dry off. And then by the same brand, I just got this like green and white striped one with a little pink stripe. And these are really soft. Like I feel like most beach towels are like really gross and disgusting. This feels incredible, so great. This is super random, but I got a binder because I want to start organizing my seeds, and this seems to be the easiest way to do it, to get some sheet protectors, slip your seeds in there, and then organize them by season, maybe? I don't know, but I got a binder for that, and it's purple because it's my favorite color. Got these at the checkout. I went to like an outdoor Easter brunch at my friend Javier's. There was like literally 5 of us. It's my high school, we call ourselves the clique of friends. And he had these plastic little glittery drinking cups, and I thought those were so cute, and there were 2 packs of them left. So I bought them for if we can ever have a party again. I just thought they were really cute. I got 2 of these. My favorite Mrs. Meyer's hand soap is back. It's a spring situation. I hadn't seen it yet, so I was like, oh no, are they not bringing the rose back for this spring? But it is. It smells so good. I literally still have some from last year because I loved it so much that I bought like 6 of them. I also recently decided I'm gonna start making my own hand soap, but I guess not yet because I bought 2 of these. It smells so good, you guys. I also really like the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, and I got the rose scent because I'm obsessed. Oh, the oven's ready. We usually avoid using it though because there is fragrance in it, and especially when it comes to something I'm eating directly off of, I don't really want to use fragrance and all those chemicals. But besides that, if you don't care about fragrance, it's a really good dish soap, and I love the scents. I really like the rose scent. And there's another scent I like too. Oh, the peppermint when it's at winter time. So I usually like treat myself to just 1 bottle of those. I don't know, with the baby and everything, I'm not gonna use it on his stuff because I don't want him ingesting fragrance, but this smells so good. And then 2 random last things. Got my toothpaste. This is what I use. I've tried the natural toothpastes, and I just haven't found one that works, especially because I have sensitive gums and sensitive teeth. This has been my savior for years. It's the Colgate Sensitive Whitening. I don't know about whitening. I feel like my teeth are just like okay white. They could use some more. but especially in pregnancy, my teeth are even more sensitive, which I know is normal. And so I've been using a different one and it just hasn't been doing the job. So I picked those up because I can't live without it. And then I picked up another Native deodorant. I mentioned in my morning routine that I am loving this deodorant, but the scent I have is not, every time I wear it, like it just, I'm weird about scents right now, I'm pregnant. But two scents that are not bothering me at all are lavender and rose, and that's what this is. And it smells incredible. So I'm excited to try that. And let me know your favorite Native deodorant scent. I know there's a ton of them and I would like to try more. So let me know what your favorite is. But okay, that is it. I gotta go put my tacos in the oven. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this random little haul. If you like these, let me know, because I don't know, was this enough to do like a full Target haul? Probably not, but it worked for a vlog, so let me know. But okay, see ya. Happy Saturday. As you can see, I just filled up the watermelon pool. So we're gonna let that sit in the sun for a bit and heat up. Although it's at a slant. I picked the bad spot for it. Bradley is in his dad hat, gutting some plants. We're getting rid of these because I hate them. We bought some flowers. I really have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to flowers, so we just bought a little of everything. Well, not everything, but some things to try out, so we'll see. We got some more herbs as well and some tomatoes, because one of our tomatoes isn't doing so hot. Ludo's here. We're gonna have a day in the garden. Okay?